Hey everybody, welcome back. We are starting a short series on working on this 2005 Mini Cooper S. It needs a whole bunch of just general care maintenance that it hasn't gotten in many years. Got little leaks here and there, stuff we want to take care of. So some of these might seem a little not well planned out. We were recording a lot of this all at the same time, so I just had to kind of find certain points to break it up. So got a lot of stuff coming on the agenda, but stay with us, and if you enjoy it, try to keep making it happen. Let's get to it. Your face is a mic. Uh-oh. I remember where my needle pliers are.
I'll go look for them.
Well, we could use the ones that are on the welding cart.
Where's that?
Where the welder is.
Got him!
There you go, now run it.
Yes.
That's why they take them off all the way.
Yeah.
Apparently still too tight. I'll try it. Yeah, keep going. Mama! There's two studs on each side that hold this motor mount bracket. Oh, that's fucking hot. Alright, if you can hear me, we've got that bottom bolt was an E14 or a double square, whatever you want to call it. I think that's going to be the only special socket for the upper motor mount. This one is a 18 to break this one loose. And then you have two on each side, 16s here, and two back there. And then this bracket will come off. And the only reason we're bothering to take that completely off is because we're actually doing the belt tensioner down below. Might as well give ourselves a little more clearance. Get some clearance, Clarence.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, roger.
Roger, roger.
Wasn't sure if I was going to break that or not. Oh, hot. Woo-hoo. God. See, where's the brake for? Do the light. Sir. tool you see me using here is a specialty tool for minis and BMWs. I'll leave a link down below for Amazon. When I compress this and the second hole on that shows up, you want to stick that in the
Second hole? Where? What?
There's another hole below that one.
Okay.
When that comes up, you want to stick it in there.
Sure. Just through the little flap, or does it go through the body?
It's flat.
Okay, go ahead.
Made in Romania, where all the good German parts are made.
And where it goes, why would you put the pin in sideways like that instead of tall? You know what I mean?
Do that. I don't know, doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So there's a 16 volt right here. That's the one I'm working on now. Right up at the top. Yeah, I wish I had a ratcheting 16. I have two ratcheting 15s, but not a 16. Got another 16.
It's still screwed into this.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave that alone.
Okay.
Down here under the piston there, I'm pointing at.
I see it. Should I go from
Probably gonna have to get from the bottom.
Okay.
And the bottom 10, probably also gonna have to get from the bottom. Drop the new one back in the way the old one came out. Here we go. Giggity. Yeah, hand me that bolt back that I handed you.
Was that the
Yeah.
long one?
Yeah, the long one.
Top.
Oh. Alright, it started. I would start with the 16.
Three fingers of toe and 37 curse words later, we finally got the belt on. Yeah.
All right, and this is the guy that's going on in the place of the motor mount. This stud is part of it, so we don't have to put that E14 back in.
Oh God. Yeah.
No resistance.
Oh,
All
so
right.
I'm not supposed to be able to do this?
No. Drop that in.
Hopeful that this is what the red was.
There's no doubt in my mind that that was the problem.
I still had that dude order the timing chain tensioner.
That's all I've got for you today. We will have much more content on this car coming up in the near future. Don't mind my boxes, just moved my desk. Let's see, well, yeah, that's it. So I know I shaved my beard off, I look a little weird, but it'll be coming back. So till next time, I love you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.